Microgreens are a popular ingredient in the culinary world. In this video, we will explore the basics of microgreens, what they are and how to grow them. Microgreens are tiny plants that are harvested just after they sprout. They are nutrient-dense and full of flavor. Microgreens can be grown indoors, making them a perfect addition to any kitchen. Microgreens are young plants that are harvested when they are just a few days old. They are larger than sprouts but smaller than baby greens. They come in a wide range of colors, textures, and flavors and can be eaten raw or cooked. Microgreens are packed with nutrients including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In addition to their flavor, microgreens are beloved for their nutritional value. They contain high levels of vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, making them a great addition to any healthy diet. Microgreens can also increase your intake of phytonutrients, which have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Growing microgreens is easy and requires minimal equipment. You will need seeds, soil, and a container. First, fill your container with soil and sprinkle the seeds over the surface. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and water thoroughly. Place the container in a location with plenty of natural light and wait for the seeds to sprout. Keep the soil moist and harvest the microgreens when they are just a few inches tall. Microgreens are a tasty and nutritious addition to any meal. With a little bit of effort, you can easily grow microgreens in your own home. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a novice, microgreens are an excellent way to add variety and flavor to your diet.